Stolen iPhones. Apple tracked down all stolen iPhones. During recent demonstration that happened all over the United States over the death of George Floyd, several Apple stores have been looted with several Apple devices stolen. However, these stolen iPhones can be rendered useless to those who had taken them. In the heat of the protest, Apple Inc. made the decision to close some of its stores around the United States to protect its employees. Some people, however, used this opportunity to vandalize some of the Apple stores in Washington, D.C., Los Angeles, San Francisco, New York, and Philadelphia. Apple involves police over stolen iPhones. Although the Apple stores were vandalized and looters successfully made their way with several Apple devices, including several iPhone 11, the thieves are all left with an unpleasant surprise to discover that their new smartphone will not be usable. However, Apple's system of retrieving this iPhone has not been reported to be successful. U.S. media reports that the stolen iPhones display a message stating, "This device can be disabled and is being tracked. The local authorities will be alerted." It is also displayed to return the smartphone to its original Apple store. In short, the phone can potentially be found in addition to be useless. Considering the fact that Apple has many products that can be picked up in its stores, the Apple brand knows that thefts happen regularly, whether during looting or not. Apple has therefore implemented several precautionary measures to prevent these thefts by limiting the usefulness of these iPhones when stolen. If your iPhone is also stolen, you can lock it remotely with the lost mode of the Find My Device feature so that the thief will be unable to access your data or use your device.